Hello everyone, my name is Pushpesh Singh and I'm a sales and advertising leader with 15 plus years of experience in companies like Z, NDTV, LinkedIn, Yahoo, Times of India and many more. With my last assignment with Z Entertainment as Vice President Sales. During these years, I have learned the real art of hunting a boss rather than just waiting to be hunted by a recruiter or a company. While working with LinkedIn, I have learned the different strategies of building a professional brand on LinkedIn. And I'm therefore bringing you this course, Art of Boss Hunting and Building Your Professional Brand on LinkedIn, to share my learnings with all of you. In this course, I will be sharing how you can make your LinkedIn profile in a much more sophisticated and presentable manner, and what all you should do to be seen as a thought leader so that you can build your rapport among potential employers even before you personally know them. I will also be sharing templates on how you can reach out to your potential boss if there's a job opening and how to reach differently if there is no job opening. In this course, I have condensed my 15 plus years of leadership experience. Therefore, I really believe through this course, you'll be able to understand everything about the art of reaching your potential boss and in determining your unique value proposition and showcasing the same via LinkedIn, and hence building a professional brand on the platform. The short course also includes frameworks, layouts, and templates for your reference, and therefore I'm really certain that you will definitely benefit from this course in terms of your job search journey. All the best, guys. If there's anything you need in this journey of getting your dream job, reach out to me at coach@pushpesing.com. I look forward to see you as part of my community. Stay awesome. Thank you.